So this is a CNC machine that they recently got from a factory who donated it to the school because that factory upgraded to a more modern CNC machines. So I notice you have a lot of CNC machines and wood and different robots and
Can use more.
right.
Can use more.
And what type of CNC machines are these?
This is a milling and a turning machine.
So the kids would design what they're going to build on computer.
Yes. Yes.
So he designed this,
Yes.
and now he's programming this into this,
Yes.
which is then going to make a finished product
Yes.
in the milling.
Yes.
And this finished product could be something that would could be for military or whatever, right?
Voor wat gaat het gebruiken?
Ja, dus voor meneer.
Dus dan weet je niet van wat dat het doet.
Right.
He doesn't know wherefore his purpose.
Right. But he's just learning how to do it. And how old is he? 17 years old. Wow.
He's an operator. So he has to program the machine,
Right.
but also the measure. So you have to do his quality also.
Right, because it's very the tolerances are
Standaard toleranties.
very exact.
It's not tolerated here.
Right.
There's no tolerance on it.
There's no tolerance at all. It has to be exact. 100%.
Exact. Nou, wat is de afwijking?
Ik denk
Een tiende.
Yeah. So this is a milling CNC machine here. And here's another.
That's the same time.
Oh.
Wat verkeerd.
Dat is bestelling van iemand.
Dat is een ordering from.
Uh-huh.
En standaard toleranties op?
Nee, dat is wel.
Ook niet. Dus hier is nou.
So this design that I see here was built by students,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
And what is this? This looks pretty sophisticated.
Dit is een automatic production unit to assemble 4 products together.
Wow.
I have to find the 4 products. I have them. Look.
Because the future in manufacturing is going to be in robotic type of,
Yes,
it's
yes.
all mechanized now.
It's all mechanized.
So you have to have, so let me get this right. So in manufacturing, there's still going to be manufacturing, but you have to have highly skilled
Yes.
people to work in manufacturing versus in the past, which was low skilled people.
We want to detect that kind of skills in engineering by our students. When they have to go to a higher school or university, we can say you have the skills to be a good engineer.
Right.
And that is the purpose of this equipment.
Wow.
So they have to combine these 4 products.
And assemble them.
Assemble them.
And they're doing
And this
they built this from ground up,
from scratch.
computerized, programmed it, and
From
this is a
scratch.
finishing product
Yes,
to
from scratch.
from scratch.
With a robot. There's a robot inside of.
Oh, there's a robot
Yes.
right there. It says
And
Robo.
He put the product when they has combined together.
Correct.
Assembled on. So the operator has to leave the product out.
Okay, and what age kids are working on something like this?
This 1 year. In 1 year, and the age is 18 years.
18 years. So this looks like a CNC engraving machine.
Yes.
And the kids would write a
Yes.
program for this,
Program for this.
and they would
Yes.
whatever they wanted to design.
The little CNC machines
Uh huh.
to learn them to program a CNC machine.
Wow.
Yes.
And what's going on here? Probably
Yes.
more
De
CNC.
vanker. Dat is de vanker.
And what age are these kids?
Hoe oud zijn je mannen in het Engels?
16.
16 years
16.
old.
18.
18 and 16-year-olds.
lady is 18.
Okay. And most of these kids, what do they want to do when they graduate?
Maar wat wilt je later gaan doen als je afgestudeerd bent? Ik denk, de meesten weten het nog niet.
Nog niet. Het zijn er 4 jaar zeker.
Ja, want
hè?
die moeten een keuze gaan maken
Die moeten
nu.
een keuze gaan maken. Hè? They
Wie
have to
gaat-
choose.
Mm-hmm.
Wie gaat werktuig doen? Ik denk helemaal.
For the welding
Right.
course or the CNC course.
Oh.
They have to make a choice now.
So they're going to either be CNC operators or welders. Right. And by the way, how many people here are going to go CNC?
Wie wil voor het CNC-verhaal gaan?
So,
En wie wil voor het lassen gaan?
so and the other kids are going to do welding.
We
Yeah.
have paid them 15,000 euros.
Wow. So
Second hand, hè?
So it looks like we're coming in here and I see a robotic arm. And what is the use of this? Why do you
Mostly to introduce the students to robotica.
robotics?
Hello.
Wow.
Welcome.
Uh,
Welcome.
The head of that department is also a staff member.
Really.
He is responsible for the welding and the mechanics.
And the mechanics. Wow. And real quick, before I talk to you real quick, so a machine like this, you bought secondhand
Yes, second
for
hand.
about 50,000 euros.
Yes.
So like $70,000.
No. 6,000 euro.
Nee, we hebben
6,000. That's
6,000 euros.
6,000 betaald.
Right. But you're doing this to introduce the kids to robotics.
Mostly the industrial science and the electromechanics.
And do the kids program this robotic arm? And they make it do certain things?
And they built the security around it as well.
Oh, they built this security,
The cage and all the systems.
all the systems in the cage. The kids all designed it and built it. Wow.